Hello everyone, guys, today we are going to trade using moving average indicator. Well, we are going to use it together with technical analysis. So which means to determine entry points, we are going to look at uptrends, downtrends. Also, we are going to analyze support and resistance zones and candlesticks patterns and other signals on the chart. So guys, today we are going to start with $30 on my deposit. My plan for today will be $5,000 or $6,000. Guys, let's see how everything will go and if my strategy will work or not. Today I'm going to open deals for 1 or 2 minutes. Of course, everything will be depending on the situation. I will be using 15 seconds Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market. And guys, let's get started because first of all, I'm going to explain you everything about this indicator and how this indicator works. Guys, as you can see, this indicator is a yellow moving average. Let's explore the signals provided by this indicator. When we have a top to bottom crossing of the moving line, we see that the price is showing a decrease and the moving line acts as a resistance level, meaning that the price moving below this line. So in this situation we could open a deal down, and guys, vice versa, when the price crosses the line from bottom to top, we see that the price shows growth and the moving in this case acts as the support level. The price moves mainly above this line, and in such a situation we could open a deal to go up, guys. Also, if we consider a situation with a small sideways, when the price doesn't move particularly pronounced, we will see that the price at this time often crosses the moving, then from bottom to top, then from top to bottom. That is, in such a situation, as you understand, it is difficult to choose a good entry point since there is a high probability that our position here can be knocked out. Therefore, we will try to avoid such situations and look for more obvious price movements and more obvious indicator signals. So guys, these are the main points of that we will need today in our trading, and so let's look for the first entry point. Okay, as you can see, we have an upward movement here and the price is currently crossing the moving from the bottom to the top. So let's open a deal to go up, since as you can see, such a signal worked out perfectly earlier, and also we see that we still have a long distance to the maximum point on the chart while the main price lows are increasing. Guys, all these moments gives us to understand that the price has a good potential for growth, and so let's wait for the end of our deal. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Okay guys, that's great. The price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a good increase. So guys, this deal brought us a profit, and this is our first deal. As you can see, it worked out amazing, and this indicator helped us to find a good entry point. So guys, it's time to continue. Let's continue, guys. Okay, here we have the price moving in an uptrend. At the same time, we see that the price is currently crossing the moving average from bottom to top. So we will open a deal for a minute to go up. We see that the main price lows on the chart are rising, and the price is moving upward more impulsively and predominantly with green candles. We also took 1 minute here as the price has been moving quite impulsively recently and our position may be disrupted. Okay, therefore I think that such a short deal would be the most appropriate for this situation. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Okay guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price showed a slight increase and we were able to earn money here. Also, 1 minute was enough for us, and now let's continue and look at some other trading situations. Okay guys, we have a downward movement here and the price crosses the moving average from top to bottom, so we will open a deal to go down since there is still enough space to the support level and the price has already touched this level several times. Also, as you can see in this zone, the price made a reversal and began to move down, and now we also saw a reaction here. Okay, all this indicates that the price has a good potential to go down, and I think that in the near future, guys, the price will be approaching the market level again, and so let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Not bad at all, guys. As you can see, the price is approaching the support level and showing a good decline. Thus, we were able to earn here, and also as you can see, the indicator was right again and suggested us a good entry point. However, I suggest continue and see what happens in the market next. Okay, guys, so we have a breakout of the support level and the price goes below the moving average, so we will open a deal to go down because, guys, I think that the price will continue to move down. We also see that new price high is lower than the previous one, which gives us a hint that the price still has potential to go down. So let's just watch the chart and see how this deal will close. Well, guys, that's great. As you can see, the price showed a slight decrease, and thus this deal closed below our entry point and we were able to make money here. But I suggest to continue and consider another situation on the market. So here we have the price moving in an uptrend, and at the moment we have a crossing of the moving average from below to above. So in this case, I suggest to open 1 minute a deal to go up, as we still have room for the maximum point on the chart. Despite 2 pullbacks down, the price has managed to stay in this area. This indicated that there is a support level here, and therefore I believe that the price will continue to move upward in accordance with the overall uptrend. We'll attempt to profit from this upward movement, guys. Let's wait for the result. Guys, that's great. As you can see, the price made an upward impulse, and thus this deal brought us profit here. So we already have almost $500 on deposit. As you can see, we have managed to increase our initial amount already more than 10 times. This is an excellent result, and as you can see, the moving average indicator in combination with technical analysis works perfectly, and it allows us to find the good entry points. So guys, it's time to continue and to find another situation on the market. Alright, here the price has made a downward rebound from the resistance level and crossed the moving average from above to below. Therefore, I suggest to open a deal down here. As you can see, the price is generally moving in a downtrend, and we still have room to go before reaching the lowest point on the chart. Additionally, we can observe that the price has become more impulsive and predominantly consists of red candles. So this indicates that the price has a good potential for a downward movement, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Okay guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and shows a good decline. Thus, this deal brought us a confident profit here, and I suggest to continue and consider another trading situation. So as you can see, we have a support level at the bottom, and the price is rebounding from this level, and the moving average is crossing from bottom to top. Therefore, we are going to open a deal to go up, as the price has already moved above the previous price high. Additionally, the new price low, as you can see, is higher than the previous one, and the price is moving upward more rapidly this time. So this indicates that the price has good potential for growth, and I believe that it will continue to rise in the near future. As you can see, the price is already showing a significant growth. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, here we got the profit with you, and I suggest to continue and look for the next entry point. Okay guys, here we have a good confident downtrend and we have a crossing of the moving average from above to below. Therefore, we are going to open a deal to go down here since recently the price is moving down more impulsively. Also, the main price highs on the chart are falling. So guys, all this indicates the price has a good potential to go down, and let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and we have several red candles on the chart. As a result, we have managed to earn, guys, and we already have more than $2,000 on our deposit. And as you can see, we are steadily approaching our trading goal, and I believe that 2 or 3 more deals will be totally enough for us to achieve our trading plan. So guys, let's continue. All right, in this situation here from the support level, the price goes up with an impulse, so I will open a deal for a minute to go up. Since we still have enough space to the maximum point on the chart, and at the same time, as you can see, this level has been holding the price for a long time. With a greater probability in the near future, the price will continue to move up. On such growth here, we will try to make money. Also, taking into account the impulsive movement of the price, we will open a deal for 1 minute, guys. Let's wait for the result. So guys, as you can see, the price moving according to our scenario and showing a good increase. Thus, we got the profit here, guys, and 1 minute was just perfect for this situation. So I suggest that we will look for another situation on the market. Okay guys, as you can see, we have a general downtrend here, and at the moment the price is crossing the moving average from top to bottom, so we will open a deal down since we have a support level below and there is still a significant distance to it, as well as the main price highs on the chart are getting lower. This indicates that the price has good potential to go down, and I believe that the price is likely to continue moving down in the near future and approach the marked level. Let's just watch the chart and see how this deal will close, guys. Well, that's amazing. As you can see, the price showing a good decline, and this deal brought us profit, guys. As a result, we already have more than $6,000 in our deposit, so which means our trading goal has been completed. And yeah, I suggest that we will end our trading session. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did enjoy this trading session. Guys, today we were using moving average indicator, and well, I explained you everything about this indicator today, how it works and what you have to pay attention, because this way perhaps you enjoy this trading session, and as you can see, this strategy really works, so maybe you will try to apply it on your own as well. Why not? I always share with you tips on how I trade and how you can increase your profit. Guys, don't forget that you shouldn't rely only on indicators, hints. Don't forget that you have to analyze the market as a whole. But anyway, we ended up with a really nice profit, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because it really makes me happy if I see that you guys love my videos. Also, if you enjoy the way I trade, guys, I have a closed community where I share my trading signals. These are my trading signals and I share them for free. But the only one thing that I share them only in my private community. So how you can get there, guys? Super easy. Just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the essential links will be down below. Thanks for watching and good luck on your trading sessions. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.